Affordable housing should be simple, but for nonprofits trying to make a difference, it can be overwhelming. High costs, long timelines, we get it. At Wolf Industries, we make building homes easier, faster, and more affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, helping people. Affordable housing, we've done it. Multi-unit complexes, we've done it. Stacked quadplexes, we've done that too. Whatever your project needs, we can handle it. Right now, thousands of families all over Oregon and Washington need homes. And nonprofits like yours are stepping up to make that happen with the help of local trust funds and grants from around the state. But there are challenges: tight budgets, rising costs, long delays, and that's where we step up. We can help with your project from start to finish. From beginning blueprints to keys in hand, we've done hundreds of projects, and we can help you. We start by building homes that meet your needs. Modern, efficient, and built to last. And we can mix these models amongst your project to make it fit your needs. Instead of building homes on-site with weather delays and unexpected costs, we build our homes in a factory where they're protected from the elements, consistent quality every time. Need help with permitting, understanding your zoning regulations, any project requirements, we've got you covered. We have a group of in-house permit specialists that can take care of your project, so you don't need to worry about all those details. What's the best part? We build homes in a fraction of the time, getting the families into your homes sooner, making a bigger impact for your nonprofit organization faster than ever. If you're a nonprofit looking to maximize your impact, let's talk. We're here to help you build faster, smarter, more efficient, and within budget. Visit us at wolfind.com to learn more.